Hey folks, this is Alan with Roadmaster Auto Sales, and I'm not sure this video is going to be usable because the wind is blowing so hard. See Old Glory up there? Blowing totally sideways. But I've got a 2013 Chevy Suburban. This is an LTZ series, alright? This is loaded with everything. If it looks like there's a haze on it, it's because it's springtime in East Tennessee and it's got half a day's worth of pollen on it. Absolutely ridiculous, but that's what we deal with here in Tennessee. So again, this is the LTZ series, okay? That means it's got everything. When I say everything, I don't know of what else could be added to it. It has the sunroof, it has the DVD, it has the factory trailer package. See that? Factory trailer tow. Alright, it has the heated seats, it has all leather seat interior. It actually has cool seats as well, you can see there. It has navigation, backup camera, but more importantly than anything else, it only has 74,000 miles on it. 74,981, so almost 75. Alright, OnStar, Bose sound system, and if you have been looking for these, I want to show you, there are no cracks on this dash. If you've looked at a lot of these, you've seen cracks on the dash. It's just inherent with them. It's one of GM's little problems. But it's not there. And one other little problem they have is all the black wearing off of the buttons, but there's no problems with any of these buttons, as you can see as well. So I'm excited about that. Bucket seats, and doesn't look like anybody even sat in the back seat, so that's good. Lots of tread on these tires. They're aggressive tires, so you'll have a little bit of road noise. That's just normal. The reason for the Suburban over a Yukon or Tahoe is because of all this extra room in the back, and the people that had this before have filled that room with WeatherTech mats. They got mats for mats to go over the mats, it looks like. So I've seen the tow package. It's got the cover there, power lift gate. It's just really clean, guys, inside and out. So give me a call, 865-256-8387. Again, this is 2013 Chevy Suburban LTZ, only 74,000 miles on it, 5.3 liter engine, by the way, in case you didn't want to know. I look forward to hearing from you. Over and out. Bye.